In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Apple gift card using PayPal in 2025. This simple guide will take you through the process, ensuring you can gift your loved ones without any hassle. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Apple's official website. If you're not sure how to get there, you can simply type Apple gift card into your search engine. Once you're on the gift card page, it's time to start your purchase journey. Next, look for the button that says Buy and give it a click. This will lead you to the page where you can customize your Apple gift card. You'll see an option for delivery via email, which is a convenient and fast way to send your gift. Now comes the fun part, selecting a design. Apple offers a variety of designs, so you can choose one that best suits the occasion or the personality of the recipient. Take your time and pick one that you feel will bring a smile to the recipient's face. After selecting a design, you'll need to decide on the amount you want to put on the gift card. Apple provides several options ranging from $25 to $500, making it easy to fit any budget. Choose the amount that you're comfortable with. With the amount settled, move on to entering the name and email address of the person who will receive the gift card. Be careful to input the correct details to ensure the digital gift doesn't get lost along the way. Following that, you'll fill in the sender's name and email address, your details in this case. This step is crucial as it allows the recipient to know who the thoughtful gift is from. You also have the option to add a personalized message to make the gift even more special. Whether it's a heartfelt note or a simple happy birthday, this is your chance to make the gift personal and memorable. Once you have everything filled out, click the Add to Bag button. This will place the gift card in your virtual shopping bag, ready for checkout. Proceed by clicking Checkout, which will direct you to the next step in the purchase process. You'll then see an option to continue as guest. This is a handy feature if you're not logged into your Apple account, or if you prefer not to sign in. Now you'll need to choose your payment method. Select PayPal from the options available. It's a secure and widely used method, ensuring a smooth transaction. Finally, click on Continue to Review to go over your order. Take one last look to verify all the information is correct before completing the purchase. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully bought an Apple gift card using PayPal. Your recipient can now enjoy shopping for apps, music, and more, all thanks to your thoughtful gift. Thank you for tuning in, and happy gifting.